Hi, this is Grant. It's Thursday, November 5th. Came down to my shop today. I was going to take a cold start video of the Porsche. It's been sitting for probably, I'd say 3 weeks or so from since the pictures were taken a few weeks ago. It lives down here. This is my shopmate's 944 race car. All right. Apologize for my video skills here. This is a cold engine. Shows 74 degrees. 72. It's 73 degrees here in the shop. It always smells good. That is it. She's always started right up. Everything works. The warning light is from the emergency brake. Emergency brake back on. Foot is off the gas. And she sits here and hers all right. And there you are. I'll get a better driving video when my buddy G gets his roof nest out of the way. Thanks.